Okay, today we're going to be solving two-step equations with rational numbers. You solve them the same way as you would any other problems. For example, in this one, we want to get rid of the plus 6, so we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. We're going to get 3/4 x equals negative 18 in this case. But how do we get rid of that 3/4? What could we multiply by? Well, we should multiply by using an inverse operation. How about multiplying by 4/3, a multiplicative inverse? Now you know why we learned this? Well, the reason we learned it, if we multiply by the reciprocal, you should just get x on the left side, and then on the right side, we can go ahead and simplify before we multiply, and we will get negative 24/1 or negative 24. Okay, our next one, let's subtract 9 from both sides. Because we're taking care of adding and subtracting first, and we get 3/5 x equals 30. Then we can multiply by the reciprocal. Over here on the left side, you'll get x equals, on the right side, we need to simplify that before we multiply it, and we get 50. Not too hard. Oh no, there's a lot of fractions in this. And I'm going to kind of show you maybe a little shortcut to doing this one. And so, let's see how it works. We have 1/2 x, and really we could just work this like a normal everyday problem if we wanted to. Just subtract 3/4 from both sides. Now, if you need to, you could change this to 8. 9/4 minus 3/4 is 6/4. And on this side we would have 1/2 x. Then just multiply by the reciprocal. We'll have x on the left side. And then we excuse me there. We can simplify. 1/2 there. And we'll end up with 6/2, but that simplifies down to 3. So we would have 3 in that case. All right, let's go ahead and just subtract 4/5 from both sides. So this is going to really be negative 41/5 minus another 4/5 is going to be negative 45/5, or we can just say negative 9. So on this side, 2/3 x equals negative 9. Multiply by the reciprocal, and we get x equals negative 27/2. Or it could be negative 13.5. So that is how we do multi-step equations with rational numbers.